How to turn off safe mode on your Samsung phone. The first thing first, you need to open up your phone, and you can see this. There are two different kind of methods on how you can exit from your safe mode. So one of them is holding the power button. After holding your power button, just scroll and tap on restart. After restarting your device, you should be able to turn off your Samsung safe mode. You can see when you restart your device that the Samsung mode will disappear from your screen. So in that way, you can exit from your safe mode on Samsung phone, which is one of the method. And another method we have here is just scroll down, and you should be able to see the notification that says Samsung safe mode is on. So what you need to do is you will be able to see this notification when you scroll down your notification bar like this. Just scroll down and you should be able to see the notification that says safe mode is on. Just swipe down the panel and just tap on the notification that says safe mode is on, and when you tap on it you will be able to see this turn off option which says your phone will restart and all your apps will be available again. Just tap on turn off and your device should restart. After restarting, your safe mode will be disabled. So therefore these are the two methods on how you can disable your safe mode on a Samsung phone. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.